We do want to get another look at the forecast here at home with meteorologist Robert Suhr. But before we get to the weather at home, we do want to get another look at where things stand with Henri. We can see the radar behind you, and it's definitely strengthening.
It is. It is still a hurricane, but man, it is really ragged looking. It's not that textbook hurricane structure that you like to see. I mean, you don't like to see it because that means it's probably a very powerful hurricane. But there is Henri off the Atlantic seaboard there. A pretty formidable storm. I mean, it is ragged. It is being affected by quite a bit of shear, and it's really, really hard to pick out the center of circulation, which is about right in here, and all the convection associated with it is kind of being sheared off to the east and the southeast. But still a Category 1 hurricane right now with winds of 75 miles an hour as of the 11 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Now, big shift in the track over the last couple of hours, really pulling it to the east. Remember, earlier today we said it was going to possibly make landfall over eastern Long Island. Now, looks like it's going to hit tiny Block Island, which is part of Rhode Island, before making landfall in Rhode Island. And the surge associated here going up the Narragansett Bay is going to be absolutely catastrophic, even though it is a Category 1 storm. There's a lot of energy with a hurricane, so we'll have to see how bad it gets tomorrow night. High today of 86 in Fayetteville. No hurricane conditions here, just muggy weather out there. Same thing in Fort Smith, nice and quiet now. You got up to 91, 2 degrees shy of your average. Well shy of that record set in 1993 of 106. It'll feel like 106 tomorrow in many locations, which is why we have a heat advisory in effect noon to 8 o'clock tomorrow for most of the area except for northwest Arkansas. They are exempt from this, thankfully. Temperatures right now mostly in the mid-70s to lower 80s across the region, but those dew points are just downright disgusting out there. Mostly lower to mid-70s, very tropical-like, rainforest-like out there. Still watching for a few scattered showers and a thunderstorm or two tonight and early tomorrow morning. Then we'll see lots of sunshine that could energize the atmosphere. So in the afternoon, we get a couple more pop-up showers, very widely scattered. They will be the exception, not the rule tomorrow. It will be the heat that will be the rule. And then Monday morning, we're back up into the 70s. Today and tomorrow, we're going to watch that heat dome really park itself right over our area. And that heat dome is going to knock the winds down, get rid of the clouds, and make it absolutely horribly hot. Lows tonight mostly in the 70s. We'll rebound tomorrow back up into the 90s. The first of many muggy days to come here. As you see on the extended forecast, 4 straight impact days, Monday through Thursday, with temperatures well up into the 90s for northwest Arkansas. Heat indices will be above 100 degrees. They'll be probably above 110 to 115 in the River Valley, as we'll flirt with 100 again. We'll see if Fort Smith can hit 100 for just the second time this year. I don't know if they're going to do it, folks. The ground is still pretty wet. We'll have to see, but just stay safe if you must be outside. Stay with us. We got sports, all you need to know with Jordan Black after the break.